Alright, let's go see what's going on down here. Let's see. Alright. Of course, it'll be easier to do once I take off the skirting around the outside. Looks like they've been in there cleaning it up under here. One log per joist. That's an interesting way to shore it up. Kinda. There should be lots easier ways though. There's a stack of stone there. Nice. And there's a nice beam. I don't know why it's not being used. Some big rock. Seems like there'd be easier ways than just stacking stone. Looks like one time they had some kind of crib here for maybe it was wood or something. And there's a hole in the floor. So I think at one time they kept firewood or coal down here.
Hey, they finally got it hooked up, babe.
Yay!
Yeah.
They finally got the dumpster hooked up. Oh, wow. It's amazing. There's the bottom of that log. I don't know what they were trying to do down here. There's the... That definitely needs quite a bit of work. They dug out underneath so that top part's on ground. I don't know what they were doing excavating this part. You can see bits of it. The floor joists are logs crossed. That's kind of neat. But we'll save the definitely the log cabin part. We'll make it the so we don't have to jack it as much as we can, and then we'll go with the rest of it. But we'll definitely do something different than stacking stones. And if you can see, they've just, yeah, they are definitely didn't work at it very hard or something. There's a big nice log. I guess they thought that putting stones up was the way to go. There's lots of stone on this side. There's put a couple stumps in. So this stone will be moved out to the edge and used as the outside stones. This piece didn't quite make it to the end. Kind of unsupported. It's always something. The whole house is being held up by things like that. Alright.
Hey everybody, thanks so much for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. Until next time.